Hi everyone, I am Joanna Ricam Nona, a fourth-year political science student. The other one is Dave Batara, a fourth-year legal management student, and Miss Sheila Antoinette Bacod, an instructor. And we are from Isabela State University, Kawayan campus. We are here to propose a policy that address some of the issues on transportation. So here are the problems that we identified that commuters and drivers are currently experiencing. Next slide. Problems with daily commuting. I believe that everyone of us feels stress, anxiety while waiting in terminal or any street of our community just to hail a cab. We feel pissed off when our exciting plan to travel turned into uncomfortable travel experience because it is hard for us to grab a public vehicle easily. Next slide. So with this, a study shows that the Philippines public transport system is viewed as unsafe, unhealthy, unreliable, and uncomfortable because of its insufficient transport planning and low quality of public transport services affecting the everyday living of commuters. Also, transportation was acknowledged by the SDG, wherein by 2030, a sustainable transport is one of its targets. With the advent of technology, mobile apps for public transportation provides a great opportunity for people to experience a transportation network that is efficient and user-friendly. Where in countries such as Jordan and South Africa used apps to improve their public transportation system. And lastly, many countries became firm on transforming the city into a data-driven and technologically able called smart city, wherein Kawayan City is one of these. Next slide. So these are the questions arise and became the foundation of how the problem will be solved, such as for commuters, when can I get a ride? Or are they coming or passing along this route? For drivers, are there passengers waiting at the terminal? How many passengers waiting at the terminal? Next slide.
So what can we do about it? So what can we do to help? So our solution will make it easy and comfortable. We give the commuters or the users a easy and comfortable travel experience. Next one, they will help the commuters and passengers find rides easier without the hassle and give them information on available transportation and passenger information. So out of those problems, we have developed a two-way automated commuter tracking system. So the two-way automated commuter tracking system is a two-way system or an application, a user-friendly app for both commuters and transporters that would make or that would keep track of commuting habits effortlessly. So on the part of the passengers, this will help determine how many buses are available at the terminal, what time are they leaving for the trip, how many are on the route, and on what location. And for the part of the drivers, this will help them determine how many passengers are waiting at the terminal and the location of the passengers as well. Next. So, next please. So how will we use the app? So using the app is very easy. So first one, users will sign up, but no information will be acquired from them aside from their location. A system-generated username will be provided for them. They will then log in with their unique usernames, and for tracking, users will log in and provide their locations. Once a commuter has logged in, available PUVs and their locations will appear on their screens. And on the part of the drivers, once logged in, passengers waiting will appear on their screens as well. So we also have this stop tracking feature, wherein once activated, users will no longer appear on the screens of the active users to avoid confusion. Next, please. Ma'am, your microphone is off.
For its implementation, we would be working closely with the local government through the chief executive in collaboration or in coordination with LTO, CICT, CEMDO, the SP, and the Planning Management Office. Next, please. For the source of funding, we will have to probably request it with LGU if they opt to adopt yung implementation ng ating policy, or otherwise we will be bent on having a request with private companies or developer for the development of the application. Next, please. For the information dissemination, we will do it in two phases. First phase will be an information campaign by the LGU to tell us more about the app, how to use it, and the benefits. And the phase two would involve information drive to posting of QR code stickers in PUVs, through which it will facilitate the downloading of the application, which provides information about it and its use. Next, please. So overall, this commuter tracking system will provide us end users, which will necessarily be make an easy, enjoyable, and hassle-free commute every day for everyone. And this is also an opportunity for us to utilize the data from the system to be made use as a basis for a more reliable guideline for policy decisions in the future. Thank you.